Pag-usapan natin muna, penetrating sealer or hardener or densifiers. Ginagawa nito is that nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction or densification reaction dun sa konkreto. Define ko lang na mas maayos ha. So, a penetrating sealer deeply penetrates the pores of the concrete, no? And creates a permanent bond because of chemical reaction or densification reaction. Ano ba ang advantages ng paggamit ng penetrating sealers? It deeply penetrates the pores of the concrete. May penetrating siya, hindi siya film forming ha. It penetrates, pumapasok siya sa loob ng konkreto. It creates a permanent bond with the substrate. Since nagkakaroon siya ng chemical reaction, kasama na siya ng konkreto mo, no? Hindi mo na matatanggal yan unless tanggalin mo yung slab mo. It also reduces water penetration dahil nagkakaroon siya ng impermeability. And it makes the concrete dense, no? To prevent cracking. It makes the concrete abrasion resistant. Yan. Lalo na, no? Kung medyo yung floor nyo bugbog sa gamit. Ang nire-recommend namin dito ay yung Floortec D. The Floortec D is a lithium silicate. So, pag nagkaroon ng chemical reaction yung lithium silicate with calcium hydroxide, it becomes calcium silicate hydrate. It densifies yung, at least yung 3 to 4 mm deep mo na yun, it densifies it para tumigas, and then yung mga pores mo mas naging tight, so hindi masyado makapasok ang mga contaminants, and at the same time gumaganda yung abrasion resistance.